Today, we celebrate the founding of the university and our achievements as an institute of public benefit. This year, we have a new award called the Teamwork and Collaboration Award, and I look forward to announcing the first ever winning team for this award. As the American basketball player Michael Jordan said, "Talent wins games, but teamwork wins championships." Again, talent wins games, but teamwork wins championships. AUN can and should be the champion of higher education in Nigeria and beyond, the thought leader for higher education, and only through teamwork and collaboration can we reach that high point. In fact, our keynote speaker, Dr. Paul Vita, will share with us his perspective on the liberal arts education, and which is the bedrock of our university curriculum and a key to achieving our goal of becoming a thought leader in higher education. Liberal arts education and teamwork and collaboration will set us apart and ensure our successful future. Founders Day is a wonderful opportunity to showcase the incredible learning environment and connected community that we have developed in our short history. We have leveraged our geographic location in Northeast Nigeria to build our reputation for entrepreneurship and development. Our founder understood this aspect from the very beginning, and that is why we are located in Adamawa State. We are here proactively partnering with our community. Recently, one of our NYSC corpers sent me a quote that captures this mission perfectly. This quote is by John Bunyan, who is famous for writing The Pilgrim's Progress. And he said, "You have not lived today until you have done something for someone who can never repay you. You have not lived today until you have done something for someone who can never repay you." Our founder lives this quote each and every day, doing things for people who can never repay him. Founding this university is the largest testament to that. He has done something for future generations of students who can never repay him, and he has touched the future of Nigeria by opening this university. Our students do something every semester through involvement with many community service projects beyond our campus walls, helping our community rise up and develop without any expectation of being repaid. All of our professors do something every day in the classroom when they teach the students. Our professors do not expect the students to pay them back. Instead, they derive the satisfaction in seeing our students develop and transform into young men and women ready to embark on their careers, including creating jobs for others and meaningful civic engagement. Our staff members also do something every day that can never be paid back. They create the conditions in which meaningful academic interactions can happen, so the magic in the classroom is possible. Finally, our trustees and senior administration do something every day by ensuring this university is sustainable through shared governance and fiscal responsibility. AUN provides the platform for all of us to contribute to something larger than ourselves and beyond our lifetimes. But I believe we can do even more. We can each lean into the growing pains of AUN. We can lean into the discomfort and lean into each other. By doing so, we will move AUN forward. Stallion Nation, I am proud of you and stand strong with you. Our dear founder, we are honored to call AUN our home, and we celebrate with you today. Thank you for having the vision to open this university and for carrying all of us along with you on this wonderful journey. Happy birthday, happy Thanksgiving, and happy Founders Day. AU